Hi, it's Elena with Key Technology. Just this past week, our team got on a call with a client. And once we did a screen share with their Follow Boss account, we took a look at their stages and immediately spotted the classic Zillow icon next to some of their stages. Under contract, submitting offers, active listing agreement, showing homes, and that icon is a dead giveaway that the Zillow two-way integration is now turned on. And once it's turned on, all of the leads you receive from Zillow and the specific client, every lead they receive from Zillow now needs to use the Zillow stages instead of the ones that they have that are outside of the Zillow stages. As a result, they were wondering, why are my automations not working that were previously working? That's the whole purpose of the call that we got on with them. The Zillow leads they were receiving were in stages that we had previously set up, but no automation was kicking off. There was no nurture drip initiating, and also the leads were not in any smart lists. The agent was running through different stages we had set up previously, but now his entire pipeline for his entire Follow Boss account was completely changed because of now being a Zillow partner with Zillow Preferred and receiving Zillow leads. Because of that, it was bypassing everything we had previously set up for their team, and what was previously working is now broken. So if you're now a paying Zillow Preferred or Zillow Premier or coming soon Zillow Pro, and you're using our services with Key Technology, this is worth checking out today. Here's how to confirm whether or not you need to have our team make a fix. Let me share screen and show you. So here I'm in someone's Follow Boss account. First, check to see by going to admin, more stages. You can only access this page if you're the owner of the account, or you can just pull up a lead, open to change their stage and see. Do you have that classic Zillow icon next to some of the stages like you see here? If you do, the Zillow integration is now set because you're either Zillow Preferred, Zillow Premier, or coming soon Zillow Pro. This change is happening because the integration has been activated from Zillow into Follow Boss. A question you need to ask yourself is, are you still Zillow Premier, Zillow Preferred, or Zillow Pro or not? If not, then you need to log into your Zillow account and turn off the integration. That's what we did in this case. They're no longer receiving Zillow leads. They turned off that payment that they were doing. So they said, no, I don't need them anymore. I don't want to use this anymore. So what we did is we logged into their Zillow Premier agent account, clicked their profile in the top right corner, went to their settings. I don't have access to their account or else I would show you. Plus that's just their own personal account. I don't want to show anything that is confidential. But you go to the settings section. Under general, they clicked the app integrations. They found the Follow Boss integration and removed it. They clicked the link app. But under the option, they clicked one-way integration, not two. They selected Follow Boss as the partner, entered Follow Boss login email, and saved. So now, anytime they do receive a lead from Zillow, it just pushes over without the two-way integration. But in their specific case, they didn't need it because they're not part of that Zillow program and they didn't need to have that two-way integration. Why would you want the two-way integration? That's what the big push is going to be soon with Zillow Pro and already with Zillow Preferred, is being able to track activity with your leads and Follow Boss, is being able to have an extra advantage as a Zillow agent or Zillow team to be able to track not only the leads you receive from Zillow and track exactly what they're doing inside of Zillow and be able to use automations in Follow Boss and create smart lists based off of activity. But with Zillow Pro coming out soon, you're also going to be able to invite your database who did not come from Zillow, invite your database to using Zillow, because let's face it, your existing database is going to Zillow anyway. Invite your database to be your agent. You can invite them one by one, your choice, whether or not you would like to. If they accept, you can track them. So if you realize, oh no, I do have the Zillow two-way integration on and I want to keep it on because I'm preferred or I'm pro or I'm about to be Zillow Pro, then we need to fix. We need to fix ASAP. How do we fix? 2 options, DIY, not fun. Other option, done for you. I'll run real quick how to DIY. It's not fun. First place is automations. This account I'm showing you here is in automations 1.0, 1.2, or 2.0. 2.0 is another story. So let's see. You will have to go through, I don't even know why I'm going through all these. You'll need to go through each automation one by one and see what stages are being used either as a trigger or a condition, and change the stages being used to the Zillow stages. Oh boy, that's a lot. So, okay, trash, that's still being used. Here, this account is already set up with the Zillow stages. But if the stages are listed here are not Zillow stages, they're like hot, warm, cold, you're going to have a lot of fun doing this manually. You need to map out now to change this to include lead and remove the hot and cold and change it to this and select which ones you want to include. And then there are some that exclude. And then there are some that are triggers, such as these. There are some for pawns. There are some for, other behavior-like automations. And look at this. Look at this. This is not something you want to do manually. Okay, that's step one. That's step one. Going through each automation one by one, looking at the trigger and looking at conditions, removing the stages and adding the right ones, and hoping you don't actually accidentally fat finger something and mess something up, which happens quite often. Step 2 is merging stages. So any stage you're using that's outside of these Zillow stages, scrap it, except for these couple of extras here that are not Zillow. Whenever you have the two-way integration on, it's best to not confuse yourself and or your team and or your brokerage. Just use the Zillow stages. Try not to have 2 sets and say, okay, well, for Zillow leads or for leads we invite to Zillow as our agent, we'll use the Zillow stages. But for other leads, let's continue using hot, warm, cold. It's not going to work. It's going to make your database a disaster. You're going to need to delete and merge your stages into the Zillow stages. Okay? We kept these outside because these are stages that are not going to be tracked and used within Zillow stages. Once a sphere becomes a nurture, then they're going to be moved into a Zillow stage. Then finally are the smart lists. Let me go into blur mode for a second. Finally are the smart lists. You'll need to adjust the smart lists to use Zillow stages. For some reason, this is not loading. Let me do a refresh here. So any smart lists you're using, like this, you probably wouldn't have thought of this if you weren't using Zillow stages, especially if you're a client of ours. We just used lead. But for this list, we use lead and attempted contact. And if you're a Zillow preferred, previously known as Zillow Flex, you're going to be given, as part of your onboarding, you're going to be given a whole new set of lists and collections. You'll want to figure out how to combine them and make them work. And we do that for you so that you're not left with a ton of different collections and lists, and you and your team or your brokerage are totally lost and confused knowing what to do where. We combine to make it easier. This one is like excluding certain stages rather than including. So you'll need to go through all of that. And let me turn off this power up here. So you have 2 options here. 1, do it yourself. 2, have our team do it. A question for you all is, if you're a client of Kee Technology, then go ahead and comment below, or actually, I think I should just put a link to our calendar. Book a call with us if you're a client, and we'll make sure you're taken care of, because this takes manual work, and manually this takes a minimum of 2 to 3 hours if you don't make any mistakes. And if you know what you're doing and what you're looking for. And then if you're not a client of Kee Technology and you don't even have any automations set up, we would love to help you. You can use that same calendar that's linked below. So final question for you to post in the comments. Have you ever pulled up a smart list of leads and expected to see a specific group of leads and notice they weren't there? If yes, this might be why. Go ahead and take a look now. Let me know what you see. Are you all of a sudden realizing, oh, I do have Zillow and I do need to make that switch over? More and more people are going to start noticing this, especially with the launch of Zillow Pro.